Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to prevent people from booking with you. Now, there isn't a way to block a specific individual from booking with you, aside from making sure that they never get the link to your booking calendar. But there is a way to control bookings by using a setting that allows you to manually approve or deny any booking request. When you're on your dashboard and logged in, go over to your booking pages, then head into your appointments. Just for example, I'll use this one-to-one consultation appointment to show you. So click the three dots icon, then click on Edit. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, then you'll see a checkbox labeled Manual Approval. Right now it's unchecked, so if someone books this appointment, it will go straight into your calendar and you'll receive an email confirmation when that gets booked, and also your customer will also receive that same confirmation email. But if you check the box, then after the person books with you, they'll get a notification letting them know that their booking is pending approval. They'll also receive an email with that same message. Once you get the email saying you have a new booking, you can choose to approve or decline it. After you make that choice, the system will notify the client, and if approved, the appointment will be added to their calendar. This way, you won't get booked for anything you don't want to do. On the client side, it'll be clear that their booking is pending and not yet confirmed. I really hope that helps.